And then if you want to, you could almost start trying to blow it this way, like on that side of the tree.
Maybe half of this going this way and then blow it that.
Yeah, I think if you can get.
I'm not, even if we get the neighbors' weeds that way, that's fine too.
Yeah. But I think if you go to that tree right here,
blow it this way.
Blow it this way. That way we can get majority of it right there, and it's an easier shot into the woods.
I think so too.
And then,
I think it's going to be hard to get around that curve a little bit.
and it's going to be easier for maybe a little bit better off the camera.
Somebody ran out of gas. Hello, little friend. What ought you do? Aww. Little buddy. Damn, that's pretty good. What happened?
Fix the flux capacitor real quick.
You didn't run out of gas?
No, I would never do that. Put some more blinker fluid in it. Yeah, dude. I can't believe I did that.
Goodness gracious.
Another leaf cleanup down in the books. What do you think? How'd that one go? A lot of leaves over there.
Yeah, it went pretty fast though.
It went faster than I had anticipated it to do.
This grass is kind of long.
What do you think that took? Probably less than an hour?
Yeah.
An hour? Less than an hour?
50 minutes.
I think so. We probably would have been here a couple hours with probably 2 hours with the X mark sucking leaves up and bringing them all the way up front.
I think when we did the spring cleanup, we were here for like almost 3 hours. It was like
3 hours. We were that's probably right. 3 hours for the spring cleanup. There's so much more here, and this took less than an hour. So, yeah, guys, like this, subscribe. Peace out.